Understanding, sign the lease in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, especially when it comes to housing and renting. Sign the lease. This phrase is crucial for those who are moving to an English-speaking country or dealing with rental agreements. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it correctly. Sign the lease refers to the act of officially agreeing to a set of terms for renting a property, like an apartment or house. A lease is a legal document that outlines the rights and responsibilities of both the tenant, the person renting the property, and the landlord, the property owner. By signing this document, you agree to all the conditions laid out in it, such as the rental amount, the duration of the lease, and any rules or regulations about the use of the property. Before you sign the lease, it's vital to read and understand every part of it. This document will detail important aspects such as rental amount, how much you need to pay and when, lease duration, how long you are agreeing to rent the property, deposit information, details about any security deposit required, maintenance and repairs, who is responsible for these, rules and restrictions, such as pet policies or noise restrictions. Lease agreements often contain specific legal terms. Some common ones include tenant and landlord, the parties involved in the rental agreement, premises, the property being rented, subletting, rules about renting the property to someone else, termination clause, how the lease can be ended early. Signing a lease typically involves a few steps. 1. Review the lease. Ensure you understand every clause. 2. Ask questions. Clarify any doubts with the landlord or a legal expert. 3. Sign the document. This is usually done in the presence of the landlord. 4. Keep a copy. Always have a copy of the signed lease for your records. If English is not your first language, consider the following. Seek clarification. Don't hesitate to ask for explanations of complex terms. Use a dictionary. Look up any unfamiliar words. Get a second opinion. Have someone fluent in English review the lease with you. Understanding and signing a lease is a big step, especially in a new country or a second language. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to sign the lease and how you can do it confidently. Remember, always read and understand your lease thoroughly before signing. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.